Good morning class. In this video I will discuss another problem of Karnaugh map. We have to minimize the Boolean function represented in this form. This is another representation sigma 0 1 2 3 5 7 8 9 11 14, or this is another form to represent the given form sigma 0 1 2 3 m 7 8 9 11 14. This m stands for min terms. So first of all we will convert this representation into the Boolean functions or the min terms of the Boolean function. So first of all we will identify here the largest element is 14. So to represent the largest element 14 we need the string of 4 binary numbers. So we will represent all the decimal numbers into the binary numbers. So let us try. So represent 0 as 0 0 0 and 0, and in terms of min terms we can write it 0 means a dash, second 0 means b dash, third 0 means c dash, fourth 0 means d dash. Similarly 1 can be represented in the binary string as 0 0 0 1. So in terms of min terms it can be written as a dash, for second 0 b dash, for third 0 c dash, for fourth 1 d. Similarly for 2 the binary representation is 0 0 1 0 and it can be written as a dash b dash c and d dash. And next decimal digit is 3, and in the binary form it can be represented 0 0 1 1. That means a dash, 0 represents a dash, second b dash, third one c and fourth one d. Similarly decimal value 5 can be represented as 0 1 0 1, and in the binary form, in the Boolean min term form, a dash b, c dash and d. And 7, similarly 7 can be represented in the Boolean, in the binary expression as 0 0 0 1 1 1, and in the min term form 0 means a dash and these 3 1 are represented by b c d. Similarly 8 can be written in the binary form 0 0 1 0 0 0, 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3, and in the min term it can be written as a b dash c dash d dash. Similarly 9 1 0 0 1, and in the min term form or in the Boolean form it can be written as a b dash c dash d. Similarly 11 1 0 1 1, a b dash c d. Similarly the last 14 can be written as 1 1 1 0. This represents 8 4 12 and 2 14, and in the Boolean form it can be represented as a b c and d dash. So these all 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, these are the 10 min terms in the given Boolean expression or the Boolean function. That means these are the 10 expressions or 10 min terms which are given in the Boolean function. So this is our first work, to represent this notation into the min terms, and then we will write here the Karnaugh map. This is the another form to represent the Karnaugh map. Here 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 and 0 0 0 1 1 1 and 1 0. One another form which I have discussed in the last video. This was the form, and the form which I am discussing today, this is the second form of the Karnaugh map. So after representing first row 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 and first column 0 0 0 1 1 1 and 1 0, here this side represent combination AB and this side represent combination CD. 0 0 means A dash B dash, 0 1 means A dash B, 1 1 means AB, 1 0 means AB dash, this 0 0 means C dash D dash, this 0 1 means C dash D, this 1 1 means CD, this 1 0 CD dash. So here corresponding to these 10 terms, that, for example, A dash B dash C dash D dash. So A dash B dash is this and C dash D dash is this. So write here 1. So represent all these or all these Boolean expressions, or we can say all these binary values, a binary representation. We will write 1 for those min terms which are occurred in the given Boolean expression. So these there are 10 positions where the value 1 is written, 4 2 6 and for 10 positions corresponding to these all Boolean expressions. So let us try to cover the ones by using the largest basic blocks. So you can see here we are unable to draw the basic block of order of size 8 by 1 or 4 by 2. We are unable to draw the basic blocks of 4 by 2 or 8 by 1. So let us try to search the basic blocks of order less than the highest possible basic blocks. So less than order is either we can search the 1 by 4 block or 4 by 1 block or 2 by 2 block. That means overall if we multiply the row and columns, then we get the value 4. That means here we can find here this is the basic block of size 4 by 1. That means 4 rows and 1 column. Overall size is 4. So 4 by 1 basic block. So draw, cover, or we can say encircle these all ones by using the by collecting all the ones. So this is first basic block. This is the first basic block which we have needed. Next. Now again we will search the basic blocks of size 4. Size 4 means either the basic block is of order 4 by 1 or 1 by 4 or 2 by 2. So here we can see we can to cover these two ones, we cannot cover these two ones by combining these two cells only. We will combine these two ones by using the 4 cells, and we will draw this basic block. We will draw this basic block to cover the remaining these two ones and using these two ones. So now we have the ones which are not covered by the basic blocks. One, this one, this one, this one, and this one. So what will we do now? To cover these ones, since we know that this column and this column are adjacent, so we will cover by these two ones and these two ones, and draw a basic block of 2 by 2 order. Now we have this one and this one which are not covered by any of the basic blocks. So we will not cover this one by a single block. We can find another large size of basic block to cover this one. Yes, we will cover this one by using this basic block, by taking these two ones and by taking these two ones, this one. So this is also a 2 by 2 block. So now we have the remaining one, only one, this one which is not covered by any of the basic block yet. So we cannot combine, or we cannot cover this one by using the large size block like as 2 by 2 or 4 by 1. So only possibility for this block is that we will cover it individually. So cover this one by using the single cell or the single block, 1 by 1 order block. Now the all ones are covered. I'm repeating again. Our aim here is to find the largest. Always aim to find the largest basic blocks, and the number of basic blocks should be minimized. So we have covered here all the ones. Now we will see the 1 by 1 basic blocks and search the elements which are occurred in itself and complemented form. So neglecting these elements, we will find the minimization of the expression. Minimum term हम find out कर सकते हैं. So first of all, consider the first basic block, this one. We can see corresponding to this basic block, this is the element A dash B dash, and we can see corresponding to this basic block C dash D dash, C dash D, C D, C D dash. So here we can see C and D are the variables which are itself and its complemented form. So its minimal term is a dash b dash. This one, a dash b dash. We will neglect C and D because corresponding to this basic block, C and D dash are the variables which are occurred in itself and its complemented form. Now we will consider the basic block of 2 by 2 order, this one. Here we can see corresponding to this basic block we have the expression C dash D and CD, C dash D, CD, and that means C occurs in the itself and complemented form. So we will neglect C, and here A dash B dash and A dash B. Here B occurs in the itself and complemented form. So here we will neglect the expression, the term B. The remaining term is A dash here and here D. So corresponding to this basic block, the min term is A dash D. Now we have considered the two basic blocks. Now consider the third basic block, this one. So this basic block has the term C dash D dash and C dash D. So D is the variable which occurs in the itself and its complemented form. So here we will consider C dash, and here this is the basic block, this and this. So A B dash and here A dash B dash. So A is the variable which occur in itself and complemented form. So from here we will neglect A and consider B dash, and from here we will consider C dash. So corresponding to this basic block, we will have the minimum term B dash and C dash, B dash in C dash B dash. Now we will consider the basic block, this one. So A B dash and this one, that is this, A dash B dash and A B dash. Similarly A is itself and complemented form. So from here we will take B dash, and from here we will neglect C and consider D. So B dash and D, B dash D, this one. And in the last, so we have considered all basic blocks of order 4, and in the last we have the basic block of size 1 by 1, that means 1. So no variable is in the form itself and its complemented form. So we will consider here all the variables from here AB and from here CD dash. So AB, CD dash. So this is the final minimized expression or the minimal expression. This is the representation or the discussion of the another form of Karnaugh map. Example. Thank you.